These 5 AI tools will transform how you study, write essays, and manage your workload. From research to coding help, let's explore the game changers every student needs. ChatGPT is your writing partner. Use it to brainstorm essay topics, outline arguments, and refine your writing. Simply prompt it with your assignment details and get instant feedback. It's perfect for overcoming writer's block and structuring complex ideas clearly. Notion AI transforms scattered notes into organized study guides, summarize lectures automatically, create flashcards, and build databases for your research. It saves hours organizing notes, letting you focus on learning instead of formatting. From research to coding help, let's explore the code faster. GitHub Copilot helps you code for structuring complex ideas clearly. Notion AI transforms scattered notes into organized study guides. Summarize lectures automatically, create flashcards, describe what you need in plain English, and it generates functional code snippets. Perfect for CS students tackling programming assignments. It's like having a coding mentor available 24/7. Grammarly catches grammar errors instantly, while Quillbot paraphrases awkward sentences. Both enhance readability and academic tone. Use them before submitting assignments to ensure professional quality writing. Your grades will thank you for the polish. Found these tools helpful? Subscribe for more AI reviews, hit like, and comment which tool you're trying first.